Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure language learning opportunities with Preply, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure language learning opportunities with Preply, start by visiting the official Preply website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Provide your email address and a secure password to complete the registration process. After setting up your account, navigate to the main dashboard. Search for the language you wish to learn by entering it into the search bar. Review the list of available tutors tailored to your selected language. Take note of each tutor's profile, which includes their qualifications, teaching style, and student reviews. Filter the search results based on your preferences, such as price, availability, and specialization. Select a few tutors who resonate with your learning style and goals. Schedule a trial lesson with your chosen tutor by clicking the respective button on their profile. Choose a time slot that works for you from the offered availability. Make a payment for the trial lesson, ensuring you understand the pricing structure. Prepare for your trial session by setting specific learning objectives. During the trial lesson, communicate your goals and ask about the tutor's teaching methods. Assess how comfortable you feel working with the tutor. After the session, reflect on your experience and determine if this tutor meets your needs. If satisfied, proceed to book regular lessons according to your schedule. Monitor your progress through the Preply platform's tools and resources. Stay engaged by practicing regularly and utilizing any supplementary materials provided by your tutor. Explore community features within Preply to connect with fellow learners. Consider joining group classes or discussion forums for additional practice. Continue evaluating and adjusting your learning plan as needed to ensure consistent improvement. Be proactive in reaching out to your tutor with questions or topics you want to explore further. Utilize the feedback received to enhance your language skills effectively. Stay committed to your language learning journey with Preply and enjoy the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.